Okay, boys, we just hit Survivor tier. We get an ultimate freebie. Let's go. Hopefully we can get it this match. Probably not, but I mean, like, it's an ultimate freebie. Come on. I always lose on females. I don't know why. And it's another female? Really? Wow. We got that, Kofi. Nope. We're not losing today. Fernanda. Sorry guys, but we're gonna have to watch your video. I know, but it'll be worth it. We're gonna get a survivor. I can feel it, man. I can feel it in my head. Okay. Yes! Yeah! Yes! Yes, boys! Yes! 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 We got that Finn Balor! Finn Balor! Finn Balor! Libra! Oh my gosh. Boys, we're going straight up. We are going to max this guy out. Ninth. Common. 10th. Go to rares. Give you Chris Jericho and Kalisto. Give you Daniel Bryan because I don't really need him. Yes. Yes, boys. We got him. We got the one and only Finn Balor. Gosh, man, I'm so excited. Hopefully you guys experienced that with me, okay? So, the video was worth it, okay? And always, guys, we are doing some King of the Ring. We are still qualifying.